Let's see how to insert multiple pictures in one page in Microsoft Word. So first off, you want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now there are two ways to insert multiple images into one page. The first one is by simply going over to the Insert tab and clicking on Pictures. Now let's insert some pictures. For example, let's insert 4. And you'll notice that these pictures are fully sized, so they automatically go into other pages. Now, we have the option to resize these pictures. And as you can see, let's just resize those real quick. And let's go ahead and change their text wrapping so we can move them. Let's click on Root Text. And now you'll notice that we can freely move these pictures, and we can now put multiple pictures into one page in Microsoft Word. Now, another way we can do this, which is probably an easier way, is to go over to the Insert tab again, click on Table, and for example, we would want to insert 4 pictures. Now, let's make a 2x2 table to accommodate for it. And let's go back to the Insert tab. Let's do the same thing. Click on Pictures. Now, for this one, we'll want to insert them one at a time. And as you can see, there we go. Let's just quickly resize that. Let's go over to the next cell. Insert another picture. And resize. Now let's change the text wrapping so we can move it. And let's go ahead and just copy paste this into the other cells for the document. Now, as you can see here, they are now properly fitted and aligned with each other. Now, to make sure that this table looks clean and all the pictures look clean, we can go ahead to Table Layout and Table Design, click on Borders and click on No Border. And it should look like this with multiple pictures in one page that are aligned with each other. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.